I'm trying to establish whether the approach of Tectane really makes a critical difference in the net balance concept.
The big advantage with that is that the emissions that you get out of this mix of alcohol and water, the emissions are minimal, or minor, compared to conventional fossil fuels. In addition to that, using this technology, you end up with close to what we call a zero net balance in terms of emissions, because
what does that mean?
That means that you can grow one crop, depending on the climate, or two crops of sweet sorghum per year. And every time you grow that crop, that crop assimilates or takes in a certain amount of CO2 from the atmosphere. So whatever
the crop is actually absorbing CO2.
It's what we call the CO2 fertilization effect. So there are significant benefits to the use of sweet sorghum, and that would enhance that zero net emissions.
To switch from one crop to another, to be more efficient in your transportation, and to be recombinant, if you will, in your very ancillary projects, makes a 10, 20, 30% difference, which makes the whole net balance extremely viable.
Yeah. There you're going to get significant reductions in the emissions of especially carbon dioxide, which is the major or the most important greenhouse gas.
So, why hasn't sweet sorghum been grown for the last 30 years? And why haven't you heard of even the old water injection technology that could have made aquahol all this time? Because we needed oil, and only oil. The oil companies and the government confirm this. And it's not like governments or corporations lie. They just forget stuff for a few decades. But sometimes they can remember again, if you just jog their memory. But this is no time to be cynical. We can't afford it.